Hello. Hi. How are you? Great. All right. So I'll start the session. I'll diagnose you first and then you can ask the questions. I will answer that. All right? Yes. Now relax completely and close your eyes. Just don't do anything for some time and observe in your body if you have any strong energy vibrations which is unusual or any blockages or constriction in your body, in your head region, along your spine, in front of your body, in your pelvic region, abdominal region, chest region, neck region. Observe for some time and then slowly you can open your eyes and tell me anything that you felt. Head pressure. All right. So, what's your question? Yes, yes. Your Kundalini has reached to the head, and primarily your diagnosis is it is in the crown chakra, around in your head region, in your third eye. So mostly the tension is in the head region. Head pressure is happening because your time of freedom in that sense has come, and there is lot of process that is going to happen in you in the coming time. So at least if you progress it in a very mild way, then it will take at least 3 to 4 years for you to progress. And that is the purpose. It doesn't need to be a volatile one. But yes, your freedom is close and all the chakras need to be balanced and so many energy work is there. Lots of old traumas need to be worked on. Lot of old suppressed emotions and everything that you have kept in your system. It is like life surgery. Yes. Hmm. So I will teach you a few techniques today. Any other question do you have? Otherwise, I will do some energy work and teach you some techniques through which you can progress. Yes. Yes. So primarily, what are the challenges are you facing in your everyday life? Main challenges. Okay. Yes. All right. Good. Now, tell me about your life, a little bit background information. Are you single, married, in a family, with children, or anything? Or you are yes. Okay. So, all right. Do you have a bed around you? Can you lie down on a bed? I will teach you a technique where you can relax and learn. Yes. All right. So today is a 10-minute session. So in the next 10 minutes, I will teach you something. But if you want to work on this, then I suggest you go for regular sessions or you can join the Freedom Project when whatever you feel. All right. Yes. Yes. So just lie down. Hmm. Lie down and I will be talking because I'm changing your brain waves into a relaxed mode and I'm changing it from beta state to alpha state and theta state and gamma state. This means that in the 10-minute session, I will be speaking most of the time, but you don't have to do anything other than to surrender. So you need to take out your spectacles and cover your eyes completely and be in complete relaxed position where you actually let go of all the hold on the body. So as I guide you, you keep following the instructions and then keep moving the body in that way as I guide you. All right. So first of all, let loose your hands and shake your hands in the air. Shake your hands completely as if you are shading off all the contraction in the body and relax it completely. Do it for some time and just let go of everything that was hold in your system. Now, slowly move your legs in the same lying down position. Keep moving your legs like waving your legs, little bit shaking your legs and relaxing everything. Oh yes, good. So keep relaxing your body and keep shaking your body and don't do anything to hold. Now shake your upper body little bit from the shoulders, from the spine. Just move your body, move your neck little bit and now relax completely. Don't do anything. Just drop your hands, drop your legs and just don't do anything for some time. and observe in your body that your belly breathing has started. This means that you are not in freeze mode, and this movement is the involuntary function of the body. This means that when you try to hold something, you think about something, you are too much into mind, then the belly breathing doesn't happen on its own. But when you let go of all the hold in the body, the surrender happens automatically, and that has happened in you. Now, don't try to change anything. You don't have to pay attention to anything. Just know that you have come in this body to be free. The purpose of your life is to become free. And when you become free, the egoic hold or the egoic fight begins. So, post menopause, your body is already going through lots of nervous system regulation, and this Kundalini itself is a challenge. So, as a whole, your body is into neurosis condition where your brain and nervous system needs lots of energy all the time. And when the belly breathing is not happening, your diaphragmatic breathing is not happening, this supply of energy, oxygen, fuel to the cells does not happen regularly. So 24/7, your belly should be in movement. This is the solution for your case. Now, your body has forgotten to breathe well. So this is a training that I give, I teach in my sessions, and this is what you need to learn. So today I gave you the clarity. You can book another session, or you can book the Freedom Project, through which you will be in continuous touch with me. I can monitor your case, how you are progressing, and everything can be taken care of in the progressive way. Now, for the next 1 minute, I will be silent, and you just feel whatever you are feeling, the state of stillness, relaxation in this state. Don't do anything. Let the body breathe on its own. Let go of all the tension, all the egoic hold. Slowly get up and move in the room and feel the difference in your state before and after. And you can come back for a quick. Yes, just move around. Yes, you can keep the phone at one place. You can just move around and come back. Just in your head, do you feel any difference? A kind of relaxation, stillness? This means I just need to clear you that this technique, that the relaxation technique that you did now, you have to do it for longer duration. So the protocol is, do it for at least 30 minutes 4 times a day. In the morning after getting up, in the daytime 2 times. Yes. Yes, total of 2 hours in a day. To start with that. Yes, so you can start with 30 minutes. If you don't have 30 minutes, then what I can say exactly. All right. So there is lot of process involved in that entire process. If you need another session, you can book that session, or you can join the Freedom Project. You can work through that project based on your commitment towards this total process. All right. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Bye bye. Bye. So you have to devote towards the healing. Nervous system and brain won't recover if you don't devote time to it. So if you cannot devote 2 hours to your healing, in this case, the patient could not devote 2 hours to the process of relaxing. So how can you recover, or how can you progress in Kundalini? Kundalini is going to be stuck in your head most of the time. All right. So understand this. Kundalini is not a joke. You have to devote. Whatever loss has happened to you in your brain and nervous system due to the egoic hold in becoming something needs to be relaxed. But if you cannot do that, then nobody can help you. All right. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.